You think me did done? Me just a come. But as we'll say in Jamaica too, we just a forward. Hi Decor Stylers. Welcome back to another video. Now, I think I'm done with it with the fall and the... No, we're still falling. Literally still falling in Jamaica. Guys, I have done another tablescape. Actually, this one is really going to be, I think, the last one for the fall season. This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center. So guys, I got this fabric at LPSR. I went there to purchase some fabric for an event and saw it, and I said, wow, ooh, fabric, what can I do with this? Alright, so I was kind of thinking of creating a tablescape. Well, I should say another one, but I wanted it to look different. Now, the pattern though is very, very wide on the round table. Let me see if I can show you. So this is how it runs, and then over on this side would be the same thing. See that? Way too wide. Now, by the time I put the flatware on the table, it would be covering up a lot of this, and that would defeat the purpose. So I say, how can I use this? What's the best way without... I didn't want to cut up the fabric, because you know me, I might find a reason to use it another time in a different design. All right, you guys, so I just pinned it up for demonstration purposes. This is not a sewing class, but I wanted to show you just where I was going with this. All right, let me open it up and show you, because I'm adamant about not cutting the fabric. I just want to create a runner. So what it basically does is just to bring the fabric, the design in a little closer, right? So that when I put the tableware down, it wouldn't be sitting on the pattern and hence hiding all of this fabulousness here. But once I get the basic design idea in my head, this is what I'm going to be doing with it. Okay? I might not even put in permanent stitches to do this. Right? I probably just whip it and then just press the seam flat. And so you can see that the design now is more or less in the center. So it would be a runner for the most part, as opposed to a full-on tablecloth. It's kind of giving me 80s grandma kitchen curtain kind of vibe. Would I be buying this for my house? I don't think so. Even though I tend to like the farmhouse kind of vibe sometimes. But if I had an event and the client said to me, listen, I'm doing a Thanksgiving theme, I would like it, because you have persons who live here, who maybe travel up to the US, where they celebrate Thanksgiving, fall, and I go into LPSR and say this, I am definitely buying it, because I am seeing so many different opportunities now that I am looking at the fabric. These could be cut out as appliques. We could, just create pumpkins, different pumpkins from these designs too, from fabric. Yeah, so the sky is the limit. So I'm going to be showing you how you can use these things inexpensively to create the design that you want. But let's go on with my little self over there, because I even needed some big pumpkins to put over there in color. I couldn't find any here. And your girl just, got a little inspiration from Pinterest. I'm just make them. Just make the pumpkins. Yep. Make them. And then we just add a little bit of black plaid into the design. Actually, I was watching a video of another YouTuber who I subscribe to, and I noticed she referenced the black plaid as buffalo plaid. Never heard of that one, but big ups to you, Lisa, because I have all of this set up when I look and see I do your tablescape with your buffalo plaid. I say, oh, is that it name? Make we go research that. So there is a we call him in a Jamaica China wholesale named Winners by Hellshire Road. A little bit dark, when you go in there, you can hardly see the things. A joke, I exaggerate. But it's not a fabulous ambience to shop. But let me tell you something, you can go in there and find some really cheap things. Cheap. The cushion covers, me say $300. Me did say that, me remember. $300. But I paid for the plaid cushion covers. And then I just went out, got a little piece of fabric and made a plaid pumpkin as well. All right. Now, I'm not going to be chatting too much, you guys. I want you to just enjoy the process of me doing this tablescape. And I have, just went out too, and I got some cheap, listen guys, me get some cheap things, me telling you. When I see them something, I mean, them cheap, me just have to figure out the storage card that I'm mad me, with the events when I have to do, and plus the YouTube videos, the storage I'm mad me. Anyways, I digress a little bit. But yeah, man, the tablescape, and then I got a little plaid, a nice little plaid to use for the napkins. So I'll show you that because I actually did a two-tone kind of thing, a plaid with a solid. And yeah, I just was feeling myself a little bit, and I just wrap up the whole fall tablescape in this one design. Guys, I really hope that you'll be inspired, to just try some of these. Maybe not necessarily to do a fall theme, but just to show you, because that's all me I do. I just want to inspire one of you, just say, me can do this too, or something spark your interest and say, yeah, I can do this. My TV room in the background, while it wasn't the main feature this time around, but it created a fabulous backdrop for the tablescape. A few little items to from Pinks, and then all of them go downtown now again. Oh, I forget to tell you this. So of course I got some of the coffee table books. Well, let me tell you the truth. I tell you the truth. I don't know, so I can't lie. It's not coffee table books, guys. It's coffee table boxes. Okay, but who would know? Who's gonna know? Who is gonna know? But winners wholesale shot. Yeah, man, shot bad. The glasses, like I said, $300. The bowls were like, yeah, cause we'd have to change the bowls the last time. Them never really match, so we are trying to do better. $300 again, anywhere between $300 and $400. And then I got a little plaid, a nice little plaid to use for the napkins. So I'll show you that because I actually did a two-tone kind of thing, a plaid with a solid. And yeah, I just was feeling myself a little bit, and I just wrap up the whole fall tablescape in this one design. So the tablecloth was really the inspiration. And then of course I needed to get some candle stands that I really wasn't seeing here. And the idea just came to me. I just went to a wood joiner who I have, done business with in the past. I'm just carry them. I'm just carry the picture. I said, make them here for me. Can you make these, please? And of course, the gentleman made them. I mean, one of them never really, to my liking, but I work with it anyway. I can work with it. So the candle stands and the tablecloth just point me in that direction, the guys. So of course, I went off into design heaven to create this tablescape. Anyways, guys, I look forward to seeing you next week. And until I do, remember to walk good. But I want to tell my subscribers them too. The new ones, guys, not show up and show out. Thank you so much, you guys. But remember to share the videos with your friends and your family. And of course, like, if you want to like the video, like it. And tell me what you think in the comments. I see you next week. Walk good.